I am so excited to solve all of my clothing storage needs. The VIPEK S4 system is going to be a great addition to our basement. We live somewhere that I have to switch out seasonal clothes from winter to summer, summer to winter, and I am so excited to set this up in our basement. The instructions are insanely easy to follow. I did this all by myself within 1 hour. I really love this clothing system option instead of bins and totes where my clothes are folded and I don't know what I have. I love being able to see everything hung up nicely and I can grab things as I need it. There's a ton of shelving space, which is so needed with all of the shoes I have. This is just a very small amount and I can actually put boots and high heels that have stilettos. They can sit here on display. I can see them without them falling through the cracks or falling off, and it's so nice being able to just see exactly what I have and grab it and go as I need. You can do shoes or purses, and these shelves are actually adjustable, so if you have taller shoes, you can adjust it to fit those taller boots. When you compare the shoe rack from the VIPEK system to other traditional shoe racks, you can see who the clear winner is. This is the one I have in my closet, and my stiletto heels will not stay up. They fall, they're wonky, and I have no idea what I have. The sections where I hang clothes are actually giving me more space than my actual closet give me, and I love the fact that I have this section here in the middle where I can put longer pieces such as skirts or floor length gowns. Like I have an actual gown that goes to the floor and it fits here perfectly, along with all of my tops and shorter skirts and whatnot. The VIPEK S4 clothing system is perfect for all your clothing needs, whether you just have an overflow in your closet or you need to store seasonal clothes. This is fantastic.